That's great. Great to get started with that one. Okay, next up, we are done with maps. Okay, that's all about maps. That's all the variations that we can do with maps. We're done with maps. Next up, we will understand a very interesting very interesting feature of Tableau, and actually one of the coolest feature about Tableau, which makes our Tableau the most interesting as well. And that's why this is the last topic that we are going to cover. Okay, so I'll create two sheets. Okay, I'll name the first sheet as PC sales and the other sheet as PSC sales. Okay, so PC sales is nothing but category wise sales and PSC is product subcategory sales. So what I'll do is I'll add category and I'll add my sales. Herein, I'll put it up as normal bar chart, and same thing I'll do over here. Okay, where I'll add both the categories and the subcategories and the sales. Put it up as a chart and swap it up like this. Okay, and just to make it more eye pleasing, I'll add the category in color so that different categories get colored in different form over here. Okay, right? So first and foremost thing, what I did was clear how I created two sheets. You guys could hear me, right?
Mahila, can you tell me
yeah, go ahead.
Can you tell what is PC sales and PSC sales? I just missed that thing.
Okay, I just
What is
created two
PC?
sheets and
Yeah.
named it PC sales and PSC sales. One is product category sales, other one is product subcategory sales. Got that?
Yeah.
Right, so everybody clear how I created and why I create, what I created, why I'll tell you, but why I created these two, clear with that? Okay, great. Now, what if I tell you that, Tableau actually gives us a additional layer of flexibility where, let's say, I have two sheets like this, right? I have one PC sales and I have another PSC sales. What if I could add a layer of functionality or flexibility or interactivity wherein, let's say I choose furniture category. Okay, let's say I choose furniture category. So furniture gets obviously highlighted here. Automatically in the other sheet also furniture should get filtered, or should get highlighted or something like that. What if I could add that level of functionality? First thing I want to know from you guys, do you think that interactivity will be useful for the users? Yes or no? Yes, right? It would be so interesting if I could link my worksheets together. If I click on one graph and if I click on one area of a graph, if the other graph gets affected by that, why not? It's a level of interactivity that will change the whole game, right? So this can be done in Tableau using actions. Okay, and there are three type of actions that you can do in Tableau. One is action filter, other one is action highlight, the third one is action URL. Okay, we'll first look at action filter. The simple methodology or the simple thought process behind actions or action filter is that if I choose a particular area or if I choose a particular part of my graph in one worksheet, it should have a action or it should have a event that happens in another worksheet, right? Maybe it can get filtered or highlighted or something of that sort, but that should happen. That's the thought process behind action and action filters. How do I add action or action filter? Let's have a look at that. Okay, so here on top you have worksheet option. On the top bar menu you have worksheet option. If you click on this worksheet, there are multiple options that are available. One of them you can clearly see is actions. I'll click on actions. When I click on actions, it comes up with this dialog box which shows me all the actions that can be done on this workbook. Okay, what I'll do is I'll add an action on in the below part of this dialog box. It's add action is there, right? I'll click on add action, and if you see there are many types of actions that we can add, we'll click on action filter. And one moment I do that, another dialog box opens up which helps me set up this action filter. Okay, it's going to help me set up this action filter. First thing that I'll choose is my source sheet. Okay, so I will choose my source sheet as of now because I am only working on PC sales and PSC sales. So I'll deselect everything. Let me just deselect everything over here. Okay, actually let's use only single select. Uh, it's okay. Let's just deselect quickly. Yeah, so I've deselected everything and I've only selected PC cells. Or in this menu, I've just selected PC sales, which means my source sheet will be PC sales. This one that I'm currently working in. This one. Okay. Why source sheet? Because here it means that if I trigger something in my source sheet, it should have an action on the target sheet. Like if I trigger something in PC sales, it should have an action in PSC sales. So I'll put up my action at PSC sales. Action is PSC sales. Okay. Now what kind of action you want, you can choose. Okay. You can keep all the filtered values. You can still show all the values and you can exclude all values. I'll keep filtered values. If I keep filtered values, what will happen is if I select the category furniture from PC sales, if I select category furniture, in the other sheet, only furniture category products or the subcategories will be shown. So keeping filtered values makes more sense. If you show all values, then there's no point of action that we are doing. Okay. So I'll do this. And then I'll click on OK. And OK. So we are done. Okay. Now look at this. Okay. When I click on furniture over here, if you go to PSC sales, this should basically highlight only the furniture category. Okay. So when you click on furniture, look at this. When you click on furniture, can you see there is a hyperlink called filter 1? If you click on that, only furniture category gets highlighted in PSC sales. That's called action filter. So I'll tell you the process again, don't worry, but just tell me, did you understand what is action filter doing? Okay. If we come back and we deselect everything over here, if we deselect everything, this again will come back to normal. But if you see over here, it is not. Why? Because we'll have to edit our action filter a little bit. Okay. We'll go to the actions again. 1 second. Yes. And this is the action we were working on, right? So I'll click on edit. Can you see it has given run on menu? Okay, 1 second. I'll show you. Can you see this given run on menu? I'm trying to edit this up. Okay. So let me try to edit it up. In the run action on, it's menu. Menu means the menu that we just saw. When I click on something, I'll have to click on the hyperlink filter one, then only it will basically go to the other sheet and etc. Instead, I'll choose select. Okay. Now, if you see what happens is, when I select office supplies, automatically office supplies get selected over here. If I come back and let's say I select technology as well, technology gets selected automatically over here. Like it's automatically taking me to the other sheet. I am not even going ahead and doing anything. It is automatically taking me to the other sheet. If I deselect everything over here, it shows nothing. Okay, if I select everything, one second. If I select everything, it will show everything over here. See, likewise. But it will automatically take me to the other sheet, even before, even without me doing any interference, even without me clicking on anything else. If I just select on a category or a group of categories, it will automatically take me to PSC sales likewise. So let's say I just select on technology, it will automatically take me to the PSC sales and show me up only technology related subcategories over here. So got the difference? Is it clear till here? Okay. Versus what was happening in menu is, with menu you get an option. With menu you get an option. So if I edit it up and if I choose menu, you get an option over here. Okay. So in this, when you click on office supplies, nothing really happens. PSC sales also nothing happens over here. Okay, if I click on, let's say, furniture, and if I click on filter one, that's when it goes to the other sheet and actually filters for office supplies over, I mean furniture, my bad, furniture category, subcategories over here. So that's the difference between select and menu. Got it? Right? And the the last one is, if you go to worksheet actions and the action that we selected or we created, we click on edit. There is the other one which is hover. Hover means the moment you just hover on it, it is going to work. Like if I just hover on office supplies, it will automatically take me over here. Likewise. So if I just hover on office supplies, it will take me to office supplies. So it's very fast that way. Got it? Is it clear till here? Action filter, everyone? I'll keep it on select because that's more doable. That's more easy to work with. Okay. So are you guys clear till here? Everyone? Okay. Can you guys quickly try it out if you guys are clear?
Meghna?
Sorry, I was speaking on mute. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. See, when I'm selecting any one particular category in PSC sales, it is showing that particular related. But how to come back? Like I want to see everything in PSC sales. It is not showing. Like only one
You
it
can
is got
select, you
fixed.
can just drag and select all the categories. Just drag and select all the categories. Like how you were selecting otherwise, right? Just like that. Like,
Acha,
for example.
okay, okay, got it. Thank
Hmm.
you.
Okay, everybody done? Can we move to the next one quickly? Okay. The next one is actions highlight. Like I said you, the next one is actions highlight. So what was happening in filter is the value was getting filtered. That particular value was getting filtered. Next up, we have actions which will get highlighted. Okay. So again, I'll add one more action called highlight. And then um let's keep the action on select, run action on select. Source sheet is PC sales and target is PSC sales. Okay. Okay. And we'll target highlight all the fields or selected fields. So let's target highlight selected fields. Okay. Selected fields category. Okay. Okay. Now when I select a particular category, so when I select a particular category technology, okay, over here, if you see technology got highlighted automatically. I did not do anything. It automatically got highlighted. Technology automatically got highlighted over here. When you deselect, it gets normal, back to normal. Again, when you select office supplies over here gets highlighted automatically. That's action highlight, right? It's a better way than I mean, in some use cases, it's better. Let's say in this use case itself, when you want to show category sales in one graph and you want to, let's say, show subcategory sales in another graph, you can use action highlight. So in your dashboard, whenever you select a particular category in one graph, the other subcategories in another graph will get highlighted, showcasing the subcategory in focus. So it's a good way of showing up your analysis as well. Was action highlights clear for everyone? Everybody clear? Yes or no? Okay. Can you just quickly try it out and then we'll move to the last one? No, we will look at dashboards, don't worry. Okay, guys, are we done? Can we move to the next one? Next one is pretty interesting. Okay, cool. So for the next one, what I'll do is, okay, I'll do it on maps. Okay. Actually, let me create one more map over here. which will take my countries slash regions. Okay, and it will take, let's say, my sales. So I have country, region, and I have sales. Let's create a filled map. Looks more aesthetic. Let's quickly edit it up because I'll use it in my final dashboard as well. So, okay, now add text labels, add states, country, region, and labels as well. And add sales also in labels. Okay. Now herein over here, you can see all the country regions and you can see the colors, you can see their sales, the higher the sales, the deeper is the color and etc. Now, what if a person is unaware about that particular area? Or what if you want to add a little bit more, aesthetics or interactivity in your graph? In that case, we have something which is called as action URL. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll share my screen again. Okay, now just see what it does. Okay, first, now action URL, what it is supposed to do is it is going to show you a little bit more information about the data part that you select. So if you select a particular data part, let's say New Zealand, it is supposed to show you a little bit more information about New Zealand apart from the tooltip that it shows. That's what action URL is going to help you with. Okay, so if I click on actions, and here I'll choose add action and I'll choose go to URL. Okay, I chose add action and I clicked on go to URL. I'm going to name it something like, let's say I'm going to name it info. Okay. Now here, what is my source sheet? My source sheet is obviously orders. And what is the sheet name? It is right now it is sheet 19. So I'll just select sheet 19 because I'm currently in sheet 19, right? So I'll just select sheet 19. Okay. Now, okay. Let this URL target be new tab if no web page object exists, or let's just create it as a new browser tab. Okay. Let's choose new browser tab. Now it is asking me to enter a URL. So what my idea is over here is that if I click on New Zealand, it should show me more information about New Zealand. So what I'll do is I'll go to Google, whatever browser you use, you can use that, and I will type New Zealand. Okay. So when I type New Zealand, it opens this Google search and it shows me it basically shows me New Zealand over here. So what I'll do is I will copy this URL and I'll go to Tableau and here I'll paste this URL. Okay, I'll paste this URL over here and I'll click on OK. And here again, OK. Now look at this. Whenever okay, let me just select what is the action run on that I selected. Info, edit, and okay, it's menu. I'll go back to select. Select is more convenient. If I select on it, I should be able to see it. Okay. So whenever I select New Zealand, if you see, automatically it went to my browser and it opened up this Google page of New Zealand, showing me more information about New Zealand. Isn't that super interesting? Whenever you want to see more information, isn't that super interesting that you can just see it on your web page and you can actually see so much about that particular area? Yes, interesting feature, right? Right. So, but the problem here is if I click on Australia also, it is showing me New Zealand. That shouldn't happen. It is Australia, right? It should show me Australia. But does that mean I will manually go to every country and add their URL? Not possible. So what I'll do is I'll go to actions. I'll use my action, edit. Now in this action URL, I can see there is a search and this way. So let's just edit this URL in a way that, let's say for example, New Zealand. So instead of this search New Zealand, if I give, let's say, Australia. Let's see if this works. Okay. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, cool. Let's try once again. I'm trying to edit the URL so that whatever value I give, it should show me that value. Australia. Nope. Okay. Australia. Yeah. It shows Australia, but it is coming up over here. Q equals to Australia. Okay. Okay. Let's try it out. Yeah. So it is coming up when I write search Q equals to Australia. Okay. I'll do this. What I'll do here is in the URL, wherever the URL is present, after search here, let's just copy this entire thing. It will be easy. I'll paste this, and instead of Australia, I'm just going to insert my country/region, and I'll click on OK. Let's see if this works. So if I click on New Zealand, it should open up New Zealand, and see, it is opening up New Zealand. Good. If I click on, let's say Philippines, if I click on Philippines, it should open up Philippines over here. And that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to make it dynamic, and it is dynamic at this point, right? Whatever I click on, it is basically just going to open up that particular country's web page. Now, it might be a little inconvenient for users that if, let's say, they just want to highlight and see India, they don't want information on India. So in that case, what I'll do is if only if they want, they can go to the web browser, is what I mean to say. So what I'll do is I'll slightly change the settings of the action highlight, and instead of select, I'll choose it as menu. Now, whenever, let's say, I click on Singapore, it will just show me and highlight me the information of Singapore, just normally. Only when I click on info, it will take me to the web page and show me about Singapore. Got it? Everybody clear till here? What is action URL? I'll name the sheet as country sales. So everybody got it clear? Just let me know if it is clear. I'll give you time to practice. Just let me know if it's clear. Okay. But what if I could do it here in the dashboard itself? Like every time taking to a new browser can be little bit inconvenient. So what if I want to do it in this browser? In the Tableau, in the Tableau workspace itself. So what I'll do is I'll create a new dashboard. Now I'm not creating a new worksheet. I'm creating a new dashboard. In this dashboard, if you remember the first day I had said you that dashboard is a place where you can add multiple worksheets together. So what I'll do is first I'll add a text container. In the objects in the left, you can add a text container. So I'll add the text container. Whenever you put it up like this, whenever you drag and put text over here, if you drag and put text over here, text box, whatever text box you're adding, let's say I'm adding it as maps. It gets occupied in the entire area of the dashboard. I don't like it. I don't want it to occupy the entire area of the dashboard. So what I'll do is I'll hold text. I will hold text. I will drag it to the white area, and I'll hold shift or control. Okay, I'll hold control shift. When I hold control shift and leave it, and if I now add maps, maps, if you see, a small box gets added instead of a big box occupying the entire area, a small box gets added. This is called basically floating containers. Everything that you add in your dashboard, every text box, every visualization that you add in your dashboard is called as containers, which is going to take up the space of the dashboard. Okay, so here what happens is whenever you add something, let's say I add a graph like this, it takes up the entire space. But if you want to adjust the space, and if you want to add multiple stuff over here, you can just take that, whatever you want to add, objects or sheets, you can just take it Click on it, drag it to the white area, click on Control Shift and just leave it. Just click on Control Shift once and leave it. Okay, and now if you see, you can drag it and use the area as in how you like it. You can place it wherever you want and it's more convenient. So is floating container clear for everyone?
Can you just repeat it?
All you have to do is take whatever you want to add, text box, sales trend, whatever sheet or object, whatever you want to add. You can just take it. Let's say I want to add map. Okay, I want to add this country sales over here. So I'll take it, just click on it, select it, click on it, drag it to the white area. Okay, then if you leave it, it takes the entire space. Okay, so this is inconvenient. I don't want it. What I'll do is I'll take country sales, drag it to the white area, click on Control Shift, Command Shift for Mac. So I think it will be, if I'm not wrong, it will be Control Shift in Windows also, or else it will be Alt Shift. Okay, and leave it up. Now it takes the shape that you want to, and you can just edit up however you like it to be. I'll show it once again. Take up Control Sales, put it up in white sheet, Control Shift once and leave it up. Now it takes up the space however you like it to be. Got it? Is it clear now?
Yes, yes.
So text box also I'll add in the same way. I'll drag it over here, Control Shift and leave it. The moment the small container starts coming, you can leave it. Maps and okay. And I'll put it up here. I'll put my text box here. You can edit your text a little bit so that it looks more aesthetic. Center align, bold, let's say. Color, we'll choose some color. Black is the best. And okay. So maps come up over here. Let me put my country sales in a little bit more widened way. See if I'm able to adjust the aesthetics of the graph, which makes it more appealing. Okay, I'll add it up over here. And I'll add the legend over here inside the graph. I'm done. Now what I'll do is I'll add, if you look at the objects in the left, there are a lot of objects you can play around with. Okay, I'll add a web page. Control Shift and leave it. And I'll add the web page over here. So when I start adding web page, it is asking me to again enter a URL. I'll enter the same URL that I was working with in Actions URL. Okay, same one. And instead of Australia, again I'll delete Australia and I'll insert. Let's insert sheet name or okay. So you'll have to create a parameter that can help us over here. So for now, let's create a parameter first. Okay, let's create a parameter for our countries and regions. Create parameter, country region parameter, data type is string. Okay, whatever value you want, you can put it up. We can display it as a list and yeah, I've created a parameter. So now when I go to this dashboard and I try to add the web page, Control Shift, URL, I'll enter the URL I had copied. I'll delete Australia, insert country region parameters and click on OK. So when I select this particular area, it is going to open up over here. Okay. So till here, was it clear for everyone? There's just one small thing left. After that, we'll go to dashboard. Till here, was it clear for everyone? Ma'am, can you please explain how you added the web page again? One second. In Tableau, here, delete it up. You can add the web page, just drag it and drop it over here. Same way, Control Shift, drop it. And you can give any URL that you want over here. And in that URL, you can choose values, what you want to display. Okay, I'll tweak the web page a little bit more in just 5 minutes. Once you guys are done creating till here. But was it clear
Yes,
for you?
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you guys quickly complete till here? Then I'll show you how to tweak the web page a little bit more. Just let me know once you guys are done, then we will be done. I mean, we will be looking at the websites, web pages, and the dashboard as the last topic, and we will get done. So just let me know once you guys are done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, when I'm trying to add the country name as the parameter, it's not showing. Like in the insert, the options are,
that's okay. That's okay.
yeah.
Because your country range parameter is not created, maybe that's why.
Okay.
If it shows it, if it is created, it will click over it create. I mean, it will show over here if it is created. That's okay. I'll show you a better way to add the web page. Okay.
Okay. Meghna,
Yeah.
when we have created that country shell sheet using URL,
Hmm.
in that run action on when we select option,
Hmm.
it is going to that web page.
Hmm.
Like you told, na, instead of selecting, if we want, we can click, or else if we don't want, it's not, it's okay, right? Some info
Yes.
type of link should
Yeah.
come.
Yeah. Yeah.
That
You
is
can
not
select on
coming to me.
menu. You can select run action on menu.
I selected, but still,
Okay. Just show me
that
once.
info thing is not coming.
1 second. Just show me once. 1 second. Yes.
Yes. Is it able? Are you able to see?
Yes.
Okay. Action. I selected menu only.
Just edit it up once. Click on it. Info. Edit. Menu. Source sheet is. You have selected the right sheet, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Country sales.
Okay. 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 Region. Country. Okay. Click on OK. Okay. Click on
Here
Australia.
that info thing is not coming. It is
Hmm.
going to this.
Ah. Okay. Just show me once again. Just click on anything else like China or
Click,
something.
huh?
That means it is getting confused with the previous actions.
Ah,
Okay.
yes.
Just go to actions once again. Info.
Or should this sheet, I think I should put this sheet.
No, it's okay. You can put this workbook. That's okay. Just click on this info. Edit. Scroll down like, in the show source sheets. This is like a Tableau error. It should not happen. Maybe once just try to delete the other actions and keep only this one.
These two.
Hmm.
Then it will get deleted, right?
Yeah, it will get deleted, yes. But this shouldn't happen. It shouldn't take you. Just give me 1 second. Okay, you deleted it already. Anyway, 1 second. Can you give me remote control?
Yes.
It has mixed up the actions. This is a Tableau error. It has just mixed up all the actions over here. So where is it? Worksheet, actions. Okay, this is just a Tableau error. It has just mixed up both the actions. So what we'll do is we'll remove this one. You can add it up later. It's fine. Done.
Okay.
Okay.
Now it is coming info.
I can't see it. Wait. Yeah, now it's coming, right? So it just got mixed up because of so many actions, but shouldn't happen. But Tableau has these mini issues in the free version. So yeah, but you got it right.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
All right. Okay, can we move to the next part, guys? Everyone is done, if everyone is done, are we good to move to the next part quickly? Okay. Now what I want to do is, if I select Australia, it should show me the details of Australia over here. That's what I'm trying to bring in. Okay, so for that, what I'll do is I'll add the web page here. Okay, let it be Australia for now. Okay, so it should show me the web page showing Australia. Yeah, something like this. Okay, now in this one, I'll go to worksheet, actions. I'll add an action, select go to URL, right? And here I will choose my dashboard 1. So my source will be dashboard 1 and my target will be the web page object, and the URL will be the one that I have anyway pasted. And here I'll insert my country/region and I'll click on OK. Okay. So if I select on Australia, it should show Australia. Again, let's just quickly edit this action because I think menu got selected again. Yes, by default, it's always menu. So I'll select on select. Okay. Now when I select China, see, okay, I by mistake selected South Korea. South Korea got shown up over here, which is a better feature. Whatever you select over here, it will basically show that part over here. See? And this is how you can create interactivity inside your dashboard. Inside your dashboard, you can add this. This way, what will happen is the person who's using your dashboard will be able to see focus on a particular region in the same graph, in the same view, and can also see more details also in the same view. So it doesn't get mixed up, it's better, and likewise. So you got the point, everyone? Everybody clear till here? Yeah. So how many of you guys found this feature to be interesting and you think you can use it in your dashboards? Okay, cool, great. Let's move to one more dashboard. We'll create one more dashboard, which is going to be our main summary view. Okay, I'm going to create a more summary view, my bad, which will show everything that we did around this analysis. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll first add a text which will show me sales dashboard. So I'm adding a heading to my dashboard. Headings to a particular dashboard is very important, okay? And make sure you maintain the theme of the dashboard in the same manner or the same fashion. So I've added here sales dashboard. I'll just bold it up. I'll add my text here. Let's firstly keep it over here, and then if needed, I can resize it and etc. I'll start off by adding few. Let's say I'll add few. Let me see what can I add. Okay, anyway, fine. I'll create a sheet where I'll add I'll add small metrics. Okay, so this will be total sales. What is total sales? Nothing but just sales added up over here. Yeah, just total sales added up over here. Okay, you can edit the text, make it vertical, center aligned. You can put wrapping, you can put all kind of formatting, bold. Let's put a color as well. like pink, maybe. Let's increase the size to 12 and click on OK. Okay. Same way, I'll create few more sheets. Okay. Duplicate. I'll create few more sheets same way and name it as total profit. And here, instead of sales, I'll just add profit. Okay. And one more I'll add, because in your dashboard, right, your dashboard should have a story, it should have a flow, it should have a structure. So that's why I'm adding few metrics on top, like total sales, total profit, etc., so that you can start showing your dashboard with these metrics, saying that, this is the total sales I got, this is the total profit I got, and this is the total returns I got. Then you will go granular and you will show all your graphs and etc. below. So that way your dashboard will have a flow, it will have a storyboarding inside it. So that's why it's very important to add these kind of metrics on the top. And whenever you create dashboards, after the text or title of your dashboard, always add metrics. These are also called as KPIs, key performance indicators, which showcase the most necessary details about your business. Like, if you're using Instagram and if you're creating a dashboard on Instagram, the most important metrics will be active users, daily active users, or average session time, or number of content creators, or etc. So whatever is important to that business, those important metrics should come up on the top. That's where your storyboarding starts. That's where you start telling your story, that this is the total sales that I got. Now when I go granular, you can see that yearly this is the sales trend, category wise this is the sales trend, and etc. That's the process of storyboarding. Is that clear for everyone? Understood the part what I talked about? Okay. Total returns and done. Now I'll go to my dashboard too, and I'll start adding these last three things that I created. First is total sales. I'll add it up over here. Same way I'll add total profit. You can align it all together when you are creating the dashboard. I'm just showcasing you how to storyboard and put across your graphs and etc. So if you notice, I did a little bit of formatting so that it fits well. I'll do that for everyone. I'll fit the width for everyone. Yeah. And see, I could add all my metrics on top. So I started off by adding all my metrics on top. So this part is clear, how I added all the metrics on top. Everybody clear? I'm just trying to format it quickly as much as I can. Okay, got it. Okay, so started off with these. And if you want to add a border or something on top of it, you can add containers, horizontal container, right? And you can place your container on top of this, something like this. And it will get added in this form. So if you want, you can do this as well. Got it? You can basically add the aesthetics as and how you like it. So you can do all of these stuffs. It will all add aesthetics over here. Okay, I'll keep it simple as of now. Don't want you guys to get extended anymore. So I'll keep it simple as of now. Okay. Now that I've added my metrics, I've added my basic metrics over here. Now I'll start off with my detailed graphs. So I'll first add my sales trend over here. I'll start off with my sales trend over here. This will show me what was the sales trend across the months, years, and etc. So if anyone wants, he can just expand and see quarters, months, and all the drilling options are still available here. Then let's say I want to add, actually it's better to add sales and profit trend together. Makes more sense. So I'll add sales and profit trend over here together. Okay. Then you can add your rest of the details as well. Second, deselect everything. Yes. Then let's add all the rest of the details, whatever we created, like this pie chart can be added over here. And you can add all the slices that you have. You can add all the slices at one place so that again it is more organized. Okay. And let's say when you click on furniture, my bad, or office supplies, it should get highlighted. So what you can do is you can click on this drop down, you can click on arrange items to arrange it up. 1 second, you can click here, and when you click on it, see office supplies get highlighted everywhere. So you can do all these kind of formattings over here. Got that? Then let's add the PC sales and PSC sales that we worked on. It's super important. So I'll add the PC sales over here. Okay, and I'll add the PSC sales over here. We'll just adjust the space a little bit so that everything gets fit in properly. Um, I'm trying to adjust all the space at one go. I'm shifting everything up so that space fits in well. Okay, now you have a little bit more space so we can shift up things. And it all fits in one dashboard. If you want, you can, put it up in different dashboards as well. I was just putting it all up in one dashboard, right? So is everything clear till here, everyone?
Can you once again show that how did you highlight the office supplies from
You
the
can just
category?
click on office supplies, it will get highlighted. Or if you
Okay.
click on over here and click on this button, the small pen button, it will get
Yeah.
highlighted. And if you see office supplies get highlighted wherever it is there. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
And
Thank you.
one more thing, that since PC sales and PSC sales, if I'm not wrong, for me, I have not deleted those actions. Yeah, PC sales actions is still there. Okay. So if I click on office supplies, see that action highlight still works. It highlights office supplies here as well. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody clear till here? How to create dashboards in Tableau, is it clear? Do you guys want to try it now or do you guys want to try it up later? I'll add borders also. So to add borders, if you add borders to everything, it might look a little bit more aesthetic. So if you want to add borders, you can just click on that particular, whatever particular visualization you want to add borders. On top, you can click on format. You can click on borders. And you can choose what kind of borders do you want to choose, like, or show up over here. So my bad. Format, borders. Yeah. And you can choose your borders, how you want to show it up. Is it clear? So if you see, a slight border has come up on total sales. Can you see? So you can edit, you can keep editing this with the help of these border options that you have. All the columns, colors that you want, you can choose it up over here, like how bold do you want it and all of that. Got it? Okay, is this clear for everyone?
Yes, but in the I have one doubt in dashboard one.
Go ahead.
In dashboard one, you created web page. No, for that again you created some action.
Yes.
Can you repeat that? I missed it.
Okay. So all I did is I just created a worksheet action URL, same action URL. Okay. So
For me, these are not enabled. Like in dashboard section, that worksheet, when I click now, that action and all are not enabled.
you're using the public version, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just look into it, okay? I'm just about to finish the entire dashboard. That's why. Okay. And also one more thing about Tableau dashboards is that it has the capability to show how it will look in phone versus a tablet or something. So if you see, this is how it looks in a phone, and this is how it looks in a default value. So it gives you that capability to showcase, how do you want it to be. And in fact, you can choose a size as well. If you want, you can increase the dashboard size, and your dashboard will take up the entire view, and you can see your dashboard in your entire view as well. So you can choose out your layouts likewise. Got it? Right? And lastly, what I'll do is I'll add a story. I'll add a story over here, and my story will be super store analysis. And here I'll add my dashboards that I created. I'll add the first dashboard, not the first one. One second. I'll add the second dashboard first because this is like a summary view. So it will start with this one. And then I will add my dashboard one as well. Okay, so in this, what happens is you can add multiple things, multiple stories, etc. over here. Okay, so 1 second. So you added your dashboard 2, this became like a story. So someone can scroll down and keep looking and viewing at the stories and over here. And you can add your second dashboard also if you want to, and you can just view it in a more detailed way over here. Is it clear? And if you click on a new story point, okay, if you click on a new story point, another part of it gets created. Okay, let's say I name it as detailed view. And this one, I will add the second dashboard that I created. So what happens over here is, again, you can place it however you want it to be. I'll go to dashboard 1 and I'll again change the range, and I'll choose it as automatic so that it gets enlarged. And now in my story 1 also, it will get enlarged. So what happens over here is it looks like a PPT presentation. So you start off, you declare your sales, how you show up your data, you speak about your data, then you go for a detailed view and you can show up more in this. If you click on anything, it will basically look at the information over here, and likewise. So it gives you a more detailed view over here. That's why you can add more dashboards, more stories, etc. Sorry, you can add more dashboards, more sheets in together one view, which is called story. And you can keep adding these tabs using new story point blank. Okay, is it now clear for everyone? Okay, now I'll stop sharing my screen and you guys can ask your doubts one by one. So Sarika, you had a doubt, right? Go ahead. Meanwhile, others, you can try executing. If you have any doubts, I'll address them. Yes, go ahead.
I'll share my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Here, you kept some web page, right?
Yeah.
Here, these are not
Worksheet.
enabled to me.
Yeah.
Should
Maybe
I
this is
click on new
because
worksheet?
no, it will create a new worksheet. We don't want to create a new worksheet. We have to
Oh.
create the web page here. So I think this is happening because of the
Or
Tableau
else
word.
again, I'll try.
eh, Shift, Control Shift. Enter any
Something like this
URL for
only.
now. For now, enter any URL. Click on OK. Click on OK.
Where it went? I clicked. Where it went? Hmm.
It's showing up. Okay. Now, okay, now go to worksheet on top.
I think it is coming full length.
Yeah, because you have not adjusted the width. That's why. It's okay. Okay, do one thing. Just do,
That I'll do later.
yeah, you
Yeah.
can just hold the control and shift. It will help you add it in a floating way and you can adjust the width. I'll show you. See, can you give me remote control? Oh, you have added it already. It's fine.
I have added.
Okay. Okay.
It is coming, but it is coming only for the particular thing, right?
We'll do it. We'll do it.
Hmm.
So now deselect everything. Yeah, select that map view. Yeah. Now go to worksheet.
Worksheet.
Action.
Acha, okay, okay. I
And
already
now
created this.
hyperlink, right? Click on it.
Sure.
Edit. Dashboard 1. Yes. And now choose web page object.
Here, okay.
Yeah. And now here, yeah, it's done. It's done. Now click on OK. Okay. Now try selecting anything. Just see if it is menu or if it is select. Run action on.
Is select.
It has got mixed up again. You can remove and click on it again. Like you can remove and okay, this is the other one. See, this is PSC sales that you're editing.
No, sorry.
Just delete this and create it once more. That's it. That's all I'm saying. So that because it sometimes gets mixed up. So
Okay.
add action.
I deleted, still it is showing.
Yeah, it's a Tableau error. It's fine. It happens in the free versions. Go to URL. Write something like give a name. Okay. Now choose run action on select. Now choose
I have
worksheet.
to select here dashboard, right?
Yes. On the top source sheet. Dashboard one.
Acha, okay. Okay.
New web page object. URL. In yeah, delete New Zealand. Insert country region. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now try.
It is not showing.
Wait 1 second. Yeah. Go to actions and delete the other one.
This up.
Yeah. Okay.
Here info it is coming, but it's not coming here.
Yeah.
Should I click on that info?
Just try clicking on the info because it
No.
shouldn't show info. You have deleted info already. It shouldn't show you info in general.
It should be select only, right?
Yeah, it is select.
I don't know this one.
Go to URL info once again. One second.
Now that info is also not coming.
Yeah, it just got mixed up because the menus and everything that you have selected is right. It just got mixed up because of too many actions again. It is happening again and again, right? So you can again just remove every action, add it up again, and you can try it once again. But the process is the same.
Yeah, removed, right?
Remove,
Let me
remove.
remove these two also.
Yes, remove everything. And cancel it and then select it again. Just cancel it, select it again. Now add. See, it is again showing filter 1 and URL.
That,
That's
yeah,
a
why?
Tableau error. Yeah, it's a Tableau issue. That's why it is coming. That's okay. You can try it maybe after 5 or 10 minutes
Okay, fine.
because it is a issue which is coming from Tableau's end. So select run action on select.
Not working.
Yeah, it's an action issue. Any which ways, just try it after 10-15 minutes. If it still doesn't work, you can let me know in the next class.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay. What about others? Everybody clear? Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts that you guys have?
Ma'am, like for making the total orders pay,
Hmm.
I am getting that distinct thing. I am not getting just the number.
Share your screen once quickly.
Yeah, like here in total orders,
Hmm.
like this is coming like
Oh, your
distinct.
header is coming. Yeah, just go to the total orders worksheet.
Just a sec.
Yeah. See here also that is coming. Just click on that. Distinct. Right click, maybe. Yeah. Click on hide field labels.
Okay.
Yeah, now
But
try.
this ABC is still coming.
Uh, just try it once. Yeah. This one, click on it again. Right click. Go to the worksheet. Do one thing. Just remove that count order ID from rows.
Okay.
Now, no, remove it completely. Now add it up once again. Just drag it to the white area. That's it. Yeah. Now select on that order ID. Yeah. Go to measure, count distinct. And now show me. Click on show me. Choose table.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it will work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Anything?
We'll try it, and if any doubts, we'll let you know in the next
Yeah,
class because
definitely.
it's too late.
No
Yeah.
worries, no worries. You can let me know. No worries. Okay, so did you guys understand Tableau completely? Everybody? Yes or no? Was Tableau clear for everyone? All right, great. Okay, cool, guys. I'll see you guys in the next class, and thank you.